Hello, this is Olivia from Secret DIY. Today we will be making polymer clay toast chimes with chocolate, peanut butter, jam, egg, and strawberry jam. Using white or beige clay, roll it into a rectangle for the toast. Once you have a shape that has a square at the end, you can put in the freezer. Now mix brown with liquid clay until it becomes a Nutella texture. Do the same with peanut butter. For the jam, you want to leave a few lumps in there so that it looks more like jam. Now take your bread out of the freezer and trim off the ends. Slice into fifths. Now use some orange pastel and brush it onto the sides and maybe some onto your bread. Do the same to all your slices. Now use a hard dry brush to put texture on your bread. If you want to make it realistic, you can swirl it, but we're making it kawaii. You can also use a needle tool or a dotting tool. Now you can add indents into the bread to make eyes. Roll some brown clay into a thin snake. Cut off a small bit and roll that into a ball and put it into the indents that you just made. Do the same to the other one. Now take a bit of the snake and make it even thinner for the mouth. Cut off a small bit and shape it into a U shape with your finger. Put it onto the toast in between the eyes. You can shape it with your blade or a silicone tool. Now you can spread your mixtures onto the top half of your breads. With the Nutella and peanut butter, you want to spread it and then kind of swirl it. But for the jams, you just spread it. For the egg, just squeeze some liquid polymer clay and kind of spread it out with the needle tool. Take some flattened yellow and put it on as the egg yolk. Now for the garnishes, take some reddish pink clay, roll it into a thin snake, and cut some small pieces off of it. And you've got a raspberry that you can put on any of your toast. I'm going to put it on Nutella. You can make another one if you want. You can break off a small piece of green clay and add leaves if you want. For peanut butter, I am going to make a chocolate. Take a piece of slightly flattened brown and trim off the excess so that you have a nice rectangle. Now use your needle tool and make indents in it so that it looks like a chocolate bar. Place it on a corner of your peanut butter. For jam, roll a teardrop shape of red clay and trim off the excess. Now take some green clay and add leaves on top. Now use your needle tool and add dots to it. Place it onto your jam. For your strawberry jam, add leaves to the side of it. And mix blue and purple, roll into a snake, and do the same process as you did for the raspberry. For the egg, roll your green into thin snake and chop up a lot of pieces. Put it on your egg. Put an eye pin in, bake and glaze, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. In the meantime, bye!